Here we are, day 3 on the job. Windows cased, most doors installed. Today we'll be casing out these openings and finishing off these windows. Finishing off these doors that need to be cased still, and probably doing some closet shelving. What a laundry room, right? And it seems as if this house just goes on forever. Great install work on the doors and the casing. Hardwood floors went in yesterday and the day before that. Oh, another door we need to case out. Let's go check the upstairs. Couple more windows we need to do today. This ginormous door that goes in. Again, the word ginormous comes to mind with this house. More windows to case. Looks like all these doors are done. Oh, gotta case out the attic access. Nice little pocket door here. Need to case that out. Scary fall. Try real hard not to fall off this today. Couple more bedrooms, or closets in the bedroom we need to do the shelving in. What a house. Well, until tomorrow.